Hi you guys, this is just Keita. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I have an eyebrow tutorial for you guys to watch today. So if you want to continue to watch and watch me slay this one eyebrow, because this is the longest process for me, tune in. And don't forget at the end, like, share, and comment. Share with your friends, family, foes, everyone. This is like the longest process it takes for me to do my eyebrows, just so you know. Okay. Okay, here I am. Make sure your eyebrows are clean and fresh, and your face is clean also. It might look like a little oily, but I just wiped my face with some Neutrogena makeup oil wipes. But I clean my eyebrows up, and the powder that you see that I'm dusting on my eyes is the Sasha Buttercup, and I do that just to make sure the oil is off of my eyebrows. And that's what I was doing right there. And the pencil that you see me using, make sure you have a dark brown pencil. Well, it depends on what I use. I'm going to tell what I use. The dark brown pencil that I'm using today, it's just a Beauty Supply dollar brow pencil. Because you can slay your brows with anything if you know how to slay them, sweetie. But yes, a dollar pencil that I'm using. And it is dark brown. And you see me already. I darken the lines. I basically outline my eyebrows to the shape that I want them to be. And it comes with trial and error for as in getting your eyebrows to be perfect. And I've been doing it for a while now. And if you see, I don't go all the way to the tip of my eyebrow. I shade that in at the end, you'll see. But yes, I'm filling in my eyebrows now, as you see. And this is a process. But as you see at the end of my eyebrows, sometimes I do it and sometimes I don't. But today I did it. I darkened it in with a black eyeliner because that tip, the tip got to be dark. And I'm filling it in. And like I said, at the tip of my eyebrows, I don't usually fill it in. I just shade it in. And I had my little wine tonight. I'm just doing this one eyebrow on camera because so many people has asked me to do an eyebrow tutorial. So here it is, you guys. So tell me what you think. And like I said, it is a long process. Well, it's not a long process once you get the hang of it. It took me about 5 or 6 minutes to make sure both of my eyebrows were perfect. But anyways, and the concealer that I'm using today is the LA Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. And so when you use a concealer, you're just using the concealer to clean up the eyebrows to make sure the lines are clean and fresh. And I usually take my concealer all the way down because I usually put on my eyeshadow, which I did tonight because I'm going out tonight. Well, I'm not going out tonight. I'm just going somewhere, basically. And the brush that I'm using is a Real Techniques brush, and it's a concealer brush. And I'm just, smoothing things on out. And being that I've been doing it for so long, I don't have to take much to clean up the eyebrow because it's basically already cleaned up. I'm just making sure everything is nice and neat. And tell me guys if you want me to do a full tutorial of my makeup routine. I have different routines that I do, but let me know in the comments if that's what you want me to do. And at the top, some people use foundation to darken it up, but girl, I'm always dramatic, so I have to brighten my eyes. So I also conceal the top of my eyebrow. And I'm just cleaning it up, and oh girl, that eyebrow looks so good. And she is almost done. But again, the wine that I'm drinking is a red Merlot. And I'm a sweet wine drinker. I'm not so much of an brown liquor, or I will, but I'm really into wines. But I'm trying to get on.